talking to Grandma?
And you had a nap? And what else did you do? What else did you do? You went on the swing?
Talk to Grandma.
You went on the slide? And now you're talking on the phone?
Can you sing Twinkle Twinkle to Grandma?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I like to fly up above the world so high.
Like a